Hello students, hope all of you are fine and healthy and enjoying your recorded lectures and staying safe at home. Students, so far we have done so many things. In today's lecture, I will tell you about writing skills, and in writing skills we will do informal letter writing. Right? We write letters to convey a message, or we want to give any information to someone. So in those situations we write letters. Right, letters are of two types, formal or informal. We'll do informal letter first. Informal letters are those which are written to our family, friends, near and dear ones. Right, so let's read more about the rules and the structure of informal letter. Right, students? So informal letter is written to our family, friends, relatives, near and dear ones, and acquaintances. Acquaintances means people those who are known to us, to whom we know. Right, they are casual in tone. For example, you can use words like hey, buddy, ASAP, and all that in your informal letters, because you are writing it to your friends, your family, or your known people. Right, they are friendly, personal, or emotional. Right, they are friendly, they are personal, whereas formal letters are professional and emotional. Right, they can be lengthier. You can, there is no specific word limit in informal letters, and there is, you don't have to write up to the mark, whereas in formal letters we have to just write to the exact thing which we want to convey. But your for informal letters can be lengthier, and you can use abbreviations also. Right, for example, I told you take care, TC, and all. Right, now structure. When we write informal letters, students, first we write sender's address. Right, the one who is sending the letter, that person's. Right, so sender is you, so your address, then you will leave one line and you will write date, then you will write salutation. Salutation means salute. Right, so you will give the greeting basically. So dear, then your friend's name, or if for your parents, so dear father, mother. Right, then you will write content, information, or body of the letter, and in that you will write conclusion also. Right, for example, that hope you listen to me, if you are writing to your younger brother. Right, and all that. Now after that you give a complimentary close. Complimentary close means lots of love, best wishes, regards. Right, and in the end you will write your name or signature, we call it. Now let's look it through your book. On page number 121 in your book, there is a format of informal letter writing. First, as I told you, it is sender's address. See, you can see here, the question is, recently you went for a trekking to Mussoorie with your school friends. Write a letter to your sister telling about the trip. Now you can see sender's address, JP Public School, Karnal. Then after one line there is date. Then there is salutation, dear Preeti. Now you can see the body of the letter. Right, that person Mudit has shared all the information, and complimentary clause, your affectionately. Then in the end, name. Right, Mudit. Now let's talk about second format. Your brother Manik has been selected in under 16 Indian cricket team. Write a letter to congratulating him on the same. Now sender's address, XYZ, date, salutation, then our content and body, then our last complimentary. Right, complimentary clause, and then name. So this is the format of writing informal letters, students. This is how we frame informal letters. Right, now in your book you have some questions given for the same. There are 6 questions. You will do these questions so that you know you can practice them. And writing skill is the skill, students, which you do not get without practice. Right, so these are the 6 questions. Right, I have recorded them in the video as well. If there is any problem, you can pause the video and can get the questions, but you have to practice them in your grammar book only. So just try to buy your books as soon as possible and try to do your work on time. right? So I hope students the format of informal letter is clear to you, and you will practice the same, right? So you will do it, and I hope you will work upon the same. So take care of yourself. If still you face any problem in understanding the format or rules, you can contact me. So thank you students. Practice formal letters and take care. Thank you.